How to fix Instagram Reels not showing. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix and solve this problem on your Instagram. So just watch this video till the end. Let's start. Now and first go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps. Here search for Instagram because there is a lot of applications. When you find Instagram, open it like this, then go to storage option. Then go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things is to restart in your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.